Welcome to Trend Vibe. Before watch this video, subscribe our channel in a groundbreaking move. Belgium is among the very first states in the world that recognize and guarantee labor rights of the sex workers at the legislative level. This milestone in the history of sex work means that the profession is legal and therefore safe, decent, and equal to any other line of work claimed by women. The new legislation that the Belgian government has adopted allows sex workers to have the same status as other employees and become legal members of certain sectors of the working industry. This includes such aspects as social security benefits, healthcare, pensions, and maternity entertain, which is a new thing to many in this field. Belgium's Minister of Labour emphasized the importance of the reform. It should be noted that every worker requires appreciation and legal enforcement of their rights at the workplace, whether they engage in skilled work or not. This law is about integration and protecting the interest of each person who forms part of our economy. New legal framework for independent sex work was recently passed by the Belgian government. This formally legitimates the profession, and its participants are legally protected. They are given the same rights compared to any other profession in the visible economy. It also includes other areas such as social security benefits, healthcare, pension, and maternity leave, something which is new to many such workers. The legislation also has provisions concerning anti-trafficking and anti-exploitation, including sex workers' rights, cannot be used as an excuse to perpetrate unlawful activities. The government will closely regulate the industry in order to safeguard the labor rights and HR of vulnerable patents. A representative from a human rights organization praised the balanced approach. This law empowers such ladies on their right to practice the profession with the prohibition of exploitation. This is a model that other nations should look at and perhaps emulate. While widely welcomed, the law has been criticized for its shortcomings by conservative groups and sexual worker groups respectively. As a result, it has been stipulated that the legitimizing of the profession as a career path cause or results in moral and societal issues. However, the critics have been quick to note that the legislation does not endorse prostitution, but aims to formalize it to enhance safety as well as rights of the lady of the night. This is human rights, not moral standings. Government spokesperson about Belgium new policy. Many countries have taken notice of Belgium as the country deemed progressive in labor rights, and spokesperson. Belgium's progressive move has captured international attention, with many hailing it as a milestone in labor rights. And activists are thereby hoping that with this new legislation in place, other countries would follow Belgium's example and work towards decriminalization and legalizing sex work, and instead focus on safety and legal protection for these workers. This law not only changes the lives of the sex worker in the country, but it also sets a very strong precedence for other countries. As Belgium sets the pace, whatever dialogue exists for sex workers' rights and their recognition is set for a complete overhaul.